Hello friends, welcome to SQL Tips and Tricks by interator.A. In this channel, we always come up with some tips and tricks by us, which is related to your day-to-day activity in the SQL Server. And today we are going to show you something different. I'm pretty much sure you might like it. So the magic of go statement. And if I don't want to explain this, but just to give you a heads up, like we always using the go statement for a batch separator or command separator. But there is one more quality in this go statement, which is like iteration. So let me share this. So if you see over here, we are just creating a temp table, which is TMP number, and it has the serial number as a column. And here what we are going select floor 1000 and random number. So it we are inserting a random number into this. So let me quickly run this statement first. So suppose I run this statement, entire statement in once. Let's see what you are seeing here. You are seeing 100 rows. If you see here, there is 100 rows and with the random numbers, but we wrote this statement only once. So where this 100 rows came? So this 100 rows came with this number after go statement. So what it means, so whatever statement just before that you have wrote, this go statement repeatedly doing that execution of that statement 100 times. So instead of single random number, if we want like 1000 or the 100 or any iteration, we can put that particular number over here. So this will help us to write a while loop or kind of a iteration loop, because it itself repeating that those statement. So hope this magic go statement will help you somewhere in your day-to-day activity, and hopefully you like it. If you want this statement, all the queries which we have taught so far, you can download from the GitHub library. Thank you. Hopefully this will help you. Thanks.